If a young alpha transforms under a full moon, there's a very real chance you could remain in your werewolf form.
For how long? Wait. You mean, like, forever?
I'm afraid it's worse. Alphas who permanently transform, they're hunted and killed by other werewolves. It's a form of self-policing.
I'm not strong enough like this. You're an alpha. I can't let it die.